This is Uxbridge station. Oh, that's the shopping centre. And just down the road there is Uxbridge Library. This is Uxbridge Library. So here you can learn about the rock cycle, supporting Key Stage 2 of the national curriculum, and we have groups of school children coming in almost every day. We have displays about local geology, building stones that we can find, and that includes some lovely stone floors in the Uxbridge Shopping Centre. Our local rivers and our new research project on the gravels at our local SSSI in Harrow-Weald Common. That's a site of special scientific interest because of the gravel. And we're hoping to do some citizen science. Not many people know that there is a chalk mine in Pinner. Actually, we've got chalk mines across the area. And when it was still open to the public, we were able to go down there. We aim to put our local geology in context, and the Jurassic Coast is a place that we love to visit. Most of our visitors know about the Jurassic Coast, but not all of them. So we can point them in the right direction.